Hello friends, welcome once again to our channel. My name is Sam and this is 5 Crypto Space, guys. Alright, so in today's video, guys, we're going to dive down into Vechain and how you can be profitable trading Vechain. Alright guys, so if you've not subscribed to this channel, please kindly do so because you'll be missing out on something fantastic that we are releasing on a daily basis and how you can remain profitable, okay, on the crypto market and how you can position yourself for the massive bull run. All right, so kindly smash that like button and subscribe to this channel, guys. Kindly subscribe and as we dive into this chart. All right, guys, so how are you guys doing? And I hope you guys are profitable. All right, so we talk about Vechain. I think if you scroll through our channel that was on January this year or late last year, the December, we're talking about Vechain, guys. And obviously the market has given us a lot of profit here. Some of us entered around these points, guys, and we can see how we go. So if you take a look of this Vechain, and it's very, very significant to see that from the call of this last bull market, we have actually enjoyed like 2,152%, and which is obviously like it's crazy, guys, because any market that goes this far definitely need to retest and refuels. Okay, so what is going on now actually might be a correction for the next big move, guys. Okay, this might be a correction for the next big move. That's why I just need to pay attention to what the market is doing. All right, so let's dive down. So now we've seen this massive bull run that has happened. So if you go down to what daily, so we can see clearly that the market has given us, okay, it has given us a correction here, and this is smaller correction, and there we go, an impulse. So this is the major big correction that we're having so far, okay, and the way it's moving is moving correctively, okay, it's moving correctively. So in a nutshell, since the big cycle have started last year 2020, we only had this bigger correction, okay, and there we go. So all these ones are just one. So we had one correction here, and this might be the second correction that will take place. So this is the second correction that is taking place here. So how are we going to position ourselves, and what is this market telling us here? So we can see clearly from here that the market has given us a 1, 2, 3. Okay, so is this over? Are we going from here, or is this still going to retest this low? So there are many things that we need to clarify before we can see if the market will be going from here or is still going to give us another low. So let's go down to 4 hours, and also we'll bring in some of the indicators to confirm it. So the first thing that I need to check out from this is to watch whether do we have a divergence between these points and these points. Okay, so if I bring out some of this is MACD. Okay, if I bring out this MACD, there is no divergence, you can see. So probably since there is no divergence, we might decide to see a break of this. Okay, you might decide to be on this trend and come down one more. Okay, so this might decide to play out before the main move starts. Okay, so this might play out this way, whereby we have a one more down. Okay, we have ABC already played out. So if you're having one more down, there might be a WX, YXZ. Okay, so that's likely what might happen on this space. So but if you are still holding, that you have not taken any profit, I will advise that, because you might be having a spike here very soon. So once this spike occurs, you can take some profits, because we'll be expecting another plunge. Okay, that might not really be that deep, because after that there will not be a massive bull market that will be coming on scene. All right, so that is what we're expecting on Vechain. So how do you position yourself? How do you position yourself on this? So there are many ways you can position yourself, and probably because we don't know clearly now if the market might be breaking out from here or they will still come down low. So we don't want to be trapped in this trade. So in that scenario, you just need to like be placing your entry buy on the previous resistance here, here, here. Okay, so these are the places you might decide to be placing your entries. Okay, so because as it's breaking out any of this, that means it's going in the positive direction. Okay, as it's breaking out any of this, is going in the positive direction. So just bear in mind that this corrective phase might be complex. Okay, this is ABC, is a simple one, so it might be complex. As I said before, you might have one more up and down before it goes, but definitely once you see this one more up and down, that is the highest it can go, and that is what we'll be expecting. So what will be our price target? What might be our price target? So if we are breaking out of this stuff, so what might be our price target might be that if you take a look from here, if you take a fee from here, okay, take a fee from here and there, guys, so you might be getting to 0.4 dollar, okay, 0.4. all right, so that might be the next target when this correction is over. Okay, when this correction is over, that might be the next target. Okay, so close to half a dollar. So if you take a fee, assuming it's breaking out from here currently, if you take a fee from here today, that might give you like 300+%, which is fantastic profits. 300% plus, which is fantastic profit. So I wouldn't want you to miss this wave that will come in. It might go way beyond this to $1, okay, but you know, because Bitcoin now is already in corrective phase, and you know, as Bitcoin keep going down, most of them will start gaining momentum and start going up again. So bear that in mind. So all right, so that will be our first take profit. Okay, be our first take profit to this point. Then based on how it forms, then that means the next phase. So I just want you to trade responsibly. Remember, we are not buying now because the market might still go lower. So we're just telling you, as once this phase is over, okay, once this phase is over, okay, you might decide to do this once. So don't rush into this trade. Don't rush into this trade. Once the phase is over, then you might be getting to the next target, which is here. All right, so I would prefer that it comes to zero, lower than this, okay, like this 0.002, all right, level, okay, that would be fantastic, okay, so that will give us a lot of profit as you're taking an entry from this point to there. That might be, you see, a lot of profit, guys, a lot of profit. So just trade responsibly, and don't forget to smash the like button on this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.